The Bitcoin price is looking weak and confused as we are struggling to hold this very key level of support. And if you've been following this channel, you know that in the Casper Crew VIP Discord, we took the short trade from the exact top setup given in advance. And we also yesterday have taken a long trade from this setup over in the Casper Crew VIP Discord. And if you watched my video yesterday, then you know that this white box right here is literally the gateway to much, much lower prices. So is this long trade going to go straight to Carolina, or are we going to see a bounce? We're going to be discussing that in today's video, so make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click that bell for notifications, because we are bringing you the most timely and the juiciest Bitcoin updates here on YouTube. Now, this level of support is very, very key. Yesterday in the Casper Crew, we finally saw that we came down bouncing from this box, understanding that this is a very, very key zone of support. I was basically saying my initial thoughts were that if we come down and make a lower low with bullish divergences on these lower time frames, it could make for a nice CDW long trade. And that is pretty much exactly what happened, right? We came down, we made that lower low, and when we take a look at Market Cipher B, we actually did start to print bullish divergences on these lower time frames. And that is actually what has led to this move to the upside for the past few hours. Are we going to get a significant bounce from this box? Well, the first thing that we need to take into account is the higher term time frame market structure. We have officially now made a lower low on the daily time frame. This was our last swing low in the uptrend. We made a high, and now we have officially made a lower low. What does this mean? This means the probabilities are more so that even if we get a move to the upside, we will make a lower high, and then we can look for another move to the downside, because market structure is king. But as long as we don't lose this box, I still think there's a pretty good chance that we see a retracement here where we can look for a rise to around that $30,500 level. So we've got to keep our eyes on the prize, which is Sam Bankman-Fried, the man himself, specifically his mammary glands and his chesticles. If we are going to maintain price action within this box, we want to see the bullish Sam Bankman-Fried pattern, where as the price is continuously making lower lows into our box, the breasts and the money flow and the nipples on Market Cipher B are getting higher over time. This is the bullish Sam Bankman-Fried man boob pattern. And we've actually starting to see this form here on the chart as the price is dipping into our box. We are seeing the momentum waves getting higher on the 4-hour time frame. So what does this mean? This means if we even get another drive to the downside here, and we see the money flow continuing to get higher on the 4-hour, and we're seeing the momentum waves continuing to get higher on the 4-hour, this could signify to us that we actually are going to get a significant retracement from this box, and then we can look for a rise up to around at least the low 30,000s. Also, guys, I want to know what you think about this price action. Let me know in the comments down below. What do you think is going to happen with Bitcoin? If you think I'm an idiot, the worst trader in the world, if you get value from this content, drop in the comments down below. Let me know your thoughts. This green box is a multi-year support resistance flip. It was support in 2021, support in the summer of 2021, support resistance flip in the spring of 2022, resistance in the winter of 2023, and now we've officially broken out of this level, and we're right now coming back down to retest it. So if we're going to get a retracement on the way down, this is going to be the place that we get it from. So we need to really be watching Sam Bankman-Fried right now to see what is going to happen. So these are the levels that we need to be aware of. First of all, this could be the significant bounce, right? And we were ready for this level in the Casper Crew VIP Discord, setup given in advance. By the way, if you want to join the Casper Crew, where we give juicy trade setups in advance, where every single day we go through multiple live streams, walking you through the live price action, a great community. You can go to jasoncaspertrading.com. Go ahead and click the link to join the VIP Discord. And also, if you want to learn how to trade this way, not just gamble away your money, 25% discount on both trading courses in the description of the video and the pinned comment. And if you want to trade Bitcoin and altcoins, check out my two favorite exchanges, MEXC, literally 0% limit order fees, 0.01% market order fees, the best deal you can possibly get on fees right now. I am also right now trading on ZoomX, and speaking of that, the Casper Crew is participating in the World Series of Trading. If you want to join our crew and trade along with us, you can click the link in the pinned comment and the description. Always a really, really fun time, the World Series of Trading. check it out, guys, if you're interested. So if we continue to dip into this green box and we are continuing to see what we want to see on Market Cipher B, then I do think we can look for a retracement back up to one of these key zones. Now, clearly we have a lot of resistance above us, and the major zone that we can see right now is going to be this $30,300 area. This is where we have had resistance now. It's a support resistance flip, literally going all the way back to the beginning of July. It's also the high volume node of this entire range. And so if we do get a rise here, this is the first place I will actually be looking for my lower high. Now, we also have the Fibonacci golden pocket right around here with the value area high of the range. So we can say that we have a very, very important zone of resistance right here on the chart between 30.3 and 30.8, where if we do see that move to the upside, this is where we should actually be looking for a lower high to enter a short to a much lower Bitcoin price. Because if we lose this green box, guys, we could see a very fast and very severe drop down to at least the mid 26,000s. However, if by chance we do happen to reclaim this very important zone and hold as support, we could see a new high, but we need to take it level to level and analyze what we are seeing on our indicators at the time to determine how we are going to get into a trade, or if we're even going to get into a trade at all. So that is what we are looking at on the Bitcoin chart today. That is it for today's video, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, click the bell, leave a comment down below. May God bless everybody in the name of Jesus, Yeshua, the Messiah. Even if you are not religious, I still pray you and your family are super blessed. And I will see everybody in the next video. Peace!